Hey everybody, welcome to Body Camp. My name is Claudia and this is your AMRAP workout, as many reps as possible. We're going to get this workout started today with a warm-up. Let's begin with some jumping jacks. So we've got a 3-minute warm-up for you this morning. We want to be sure the body is ready to go because we got a lot of work coming your way. Now remember, if you're not somebody who's into impact straight out of the gate, you can easily just step it out if need be. I've just got a timer going here. Just want to be sure that we stay on time. Let's switch these up to some high knees. Woo. Get nice and warm. Get the arms moving. And remember, if this is better for you, always keep in mind, we just want to get the body moving. Start to move around a little bit. Nice. Let's change these to some butt kickers. Take the legs back. How are you all doing out there? Doing good? Whew. I'm getting warm. All right, skaters, let's skate. We're gonna cycle through these exercises, these warm-up exercises a couple of times. Want to make sure the body is thoroughly warm. Always keep in mind, right? We're not into the impact. Just take a step and a reach. A step and a reach. Let's find some knee thrusts. So, just a reach and a pull. That's all we're looking for here. Let's get back to those jumping jacks. Ready? How are we doing for time? 40 seconds? All right, let's get to some high knees. Butt kickers. And some skaters. All right, I'm warm. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go. Whew. All right, let's begin our workout. Remember, as many rounds as possible. That is our goal today. So, our 13-minute timer has started. Let's begin with some kettlebell swings. We've got 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nice long back. 12, 13. Using our hips. 14. 15. We're moving on. That was 15 kettlebell swings. Moving on. Pick up your dumbbells. Let's get into some bicep shoulder press work. So, biceps, shoulder press, coming down, returning. That's 1. That's 2. We got 10 in total. That was 3. This is 4. 4. This is 5. 5. Nice. 6. You want to challenge yourself? Put yourself on one leg. There you go. That's 8. 2 more. That's 1 more. Right there. All right. We have lateral deadlifts. I'm going to keep the same weight in my hand, and I'm going to move laterally. Let's get my kettlebell out the way. All right, take a look. I'm coming down for a deadlift right there. That's 1. 2. Now this step out laterally is going to depend on you, right? How long your legs are. We want to be sure that we've got our knees pointing forward, keeping in alignment with our toes. Nice strong core. 6. 7. That's 8. We're gonna do 1 more. I might be off slightly. That's the beauty of working out. Woo! All right, bicycle, lateral deadlifts, coming down to the ground for bicycle. Yeah, ground training. Ground training is good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Turning it over, we got 10 push-ups. Now, knees or toes, you decide how these look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, coming back to the beginning, kettlebell swings. We got 15. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, moving on. Bicep, shoulder press work. 1. 2. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. How we doing? Come on, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, we don't stop. Is that 8? 2 more. 9. 10. Moving on to lateral deadlifts. Ready to take it from side to side? Let's do it. That's 1. 2. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. I'm keeping a nice long back, pushing my hips. That's 8. That's 9. And there's 10. All right, down they go. Let's get to bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push-ups. We got 10. So we want to be sure our chest is level between our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the beginning. Whew, we don't have much time. We're running out of time. Kettlebell swings. Whew. 15, you ready? Let's do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that's 15. All right, bicep shoulders, full body workout. That's 1. That's 2. Show you from the side. Keep a nice strong core, that's 3. That's 4. 5. Keep it going, team. Keep it going. 6. 7. 8. Press. That's 9. Press. That's 10. Wow. Lateral deadlifts. I always want to put these down, but I gotta go with the deadlifts. We're gonna go this way this time. That's 1. Timekeeper, how we doing? 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Oh, that's 10. Bicycle. This is our 3rd round, by the way. 3rd round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flip it over. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where are we at? 10 minutes?
14.
All right, one more round. Let's get one more round in. 15 kettlebell swings. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 15. Last round, folks. Come on, last round. Let's get this done. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. Push it. 5. That's 6. That's 7. Here's 8. 9. Last one. Here's 10. We're going straight into those deadlifts. Non-stop. 2, 3. Here's 4. 5. 6. Here's 7. 8. 9. 10. All right. Bicycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push-ups. 15 seconds. Can we get them done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time, folks. Whew. How'd you do? Yeah? 2 thumbs up for me. Hey, I want to thank you for coming out for this workout today. We got in 4 rounds in that time. 4 rounds. That's good. Hey, join me next time for body camp. Have a great day.